Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd. This is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the Euro Yen, we made a nice engulfing move up at the 50% fib level, and based on structure, the trend is definitely up because of all the higher lows on the daily time frame. Because of those two reasons, I am looking for longs on sort of time frames. I do see the possibility that this is either an A or 1, and this is like a B or a 2, and it goes down and fills the gap for a 3 or a C, or maybe even goes out and breaks structure, which would help confirm the way B is over. Definitely a possibility, but based on what the chart is saying, we should be bullish on shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, a very sideways market. Like I was saying yesterday, this could be a wave A, and it could be a wave B, and it definitely could start making lower lows, lower highs in a wave C. If that is true, I would want to see a break of structure down on the 1 hour, and I think the most recent, most significant structure right now is right here. So if it breaks below there, then it probably is going to go down and try to fill this gap. If it doesn't break below there, but ends up making like a higher low, like I said, I personally would be looking for longs because the daily time frame is definitely telling us that based on structure and based on market flow, the trends are up on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.